Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to check the last update details security and Google update on Android. Right, so it's really easy. It's available in all the Android phones. So you have to just go to your settings of your phone, scroll to the bottom, and here you will find this option of about device. And once you're here in the about device, you will get this option to up to date that which UI you are using, right? Which Android user interface you are using, what's the version of that, right? And everything. And once you tap on it, here it will just check for an update. And as you can see here, version is up to date, right? And if you want to know more about the version, just click on about the version and you can just read all the information, right? So the version just it gets changed because most of the Android phones and companies provide this security update as well as Android update at a different point of time. So in your case it could be something else, as well as on the other phone it could be something else. Now go to the little bit down, you will find this option of Android UI version, right? So this is why I'm using a Realme phone, so that's why here it's Realme. By the way, I'm using Android version which is 12 right now. Currently there are available in latest phone, there are available Android version 14. So you have to tap on it, and as you can see here, Android security update, it was the last update on the 5th November. In your case it could be different, as well as on the Android version. If I just again tap on it so many times, then you will see that this will just show me the Android version here, right? So this is how you can just know all this information. As you can see here, everything is available here, right? So it's very easy. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.